Trolley, please take us home for dinner.
I'm no one. Damn it.
Do you want to talk about it some more?
Oh, and Katerina were having dinner together too. And they live in the same trio, so they play together all the time. But I wish they were playing with me.
It sounds like you're feeling left out.
I was left out, and it's making me so sad.
It's okay. But the owl in Katerina's house on the way home.
So what were O and Katerina doing today?
Well, they were playing ladybugs together. They had ladybug wings, and ladybug antenna,
I can't
and
do it at
ladybug
all.
song.
Goodbye.
They were playing together.
Goodbye.
I am now in a better place. 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 I am now in a better place.